Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we are going to make a chicken and pasta casserole. So come on, let's get started. Okay, first off, what you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I went ahead and started boiling my pasta, which is already done. So I'm going to go ahead and drain it. Now I'm only doing half of this recipe because it's just me. So I only used about 8 ounces of pasta. I'll put the whole recipe in the description box. So now we're going to heat up our skillet. And while it's heating up, we're going to season up our cubed up chicken. So we're going to use salt and pepper to your taste. And then you want about 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Oh, and I have 2 chicken thighs that I cubed. You could use chicken breast or chicken thighs. And you want about the same amount of paprika. And the same amount of garlic powder, of onion powder. I'm just going to mix this around to make sure that it all gets coated in them seasonings. And we're just going to brown up our chicken. And because it's in cubes, it'll cook almost all the way through, which is okay. And I only had about 1.5 tablespoons of oil in my pan getting hot. So I'll bring you guys back when the chicken gets ready to turn over. Okay, our chicken's just about done. So what we're going to do is, I went ahead and I washed my bowl that I had the raw chicken in. And I don't know if I ever told you guys, but that's one thing I do. As I cook, like while the chicken was cooking, I just went ahead and washed the pan that I boiled the noodles in and the bowl because I was done with them. So I went ahead and washed them. It makes it so much easier to do that. So that way, when everything's said and done, you don't have a ton of dirty dishes. Now we're going to take our chicken out and we're going to add it to our noodles. And I heard our oven beep that it's preheated, which is perfect timing. Mix the chicken in with the noodles. Then you're going to add some pasta sauce. I have my homemade pasta sauce here. If you want to know how to make it, there is videos on making homemade pasta sauce. Now we're just going to mix this all together. If you want it saucier, use more sauce. That was about 2 cups of sauce that I had in that bag. Now we're going to put it in our 8x8 pan. Spread it out, make sure that it's in an even layer. Then we're going to chop it with some shredded mozzarella cheese. And this was about close to 2 cups of cheese. Now we're going to put it in our preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes until the cheese is all melty and everything's hot and bubbly. And I'll bring you guys back when it comes out of the oven. So here you go, guys. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. I sprinkled a little chives on the top to give it some color. So that's our chicken and pasta casserole. So let's try it. This is what it looks like on the plate. And it is very hot. All the seasoning we put on that chicken. And then, of course, the flavor from the sauce and the seasoning from the chicken all married together. This is really good. So give it a try. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, share my video. If you really like this video, you can give it a hype. As always, this recipe, the full recipe will be in the description box below. Because remember, I only made half. And as always, if you want to become a channel member, you can hit that join button. If you would like to support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list and our PayPal account in the description box below. And remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.